Never underestimate the power of a smile. A smile can have a profound effect on you and on others. They did a study in 2018 at Swansea University in Wales, and then and also in Ulster University in Northern Ireland. And they found that smiling can make a positive difference in one's mindset. It can help you persevere through a workout, and you'll have satisfaction in a job well done. We really need to respect the bodies that God gave us, and we have to respect ourselves by showing up every day. I try and do something every day. I'm 73 now, and I realize, I've got to. This is no time to fool around. I have to do it every day. Every day. And that could be anywhere from 20 minutes to 90 minutes. It all depends what I have scheduled that day and how much energy I have. But even if my energy levels are low, I'm going to do something. I'm going to stretch, which takes energy, but stretching is important. So, some workouts you do are going to be easier. Some are going to feel like it's a breeze. But remember, smile. Smile, and it's going to help you. Show up and get through it. And so I'm going to just show you a quick workout, about 35, 40 minutes. Here we go. Okay, here's a quick example of a workout that I do usually twice a week. All right, so this is just 10 exercises, and I'll just show you briefly each exercise. First one, starting off with the trusty sled, reverse walking. Reverse walking is really good for your knees. So I did 100 yards reverse walking, and I did 100 yards pushing the sled forward also. Very good for your legs. It's intense too. Here I had the setting on the highest it goes. It was tough pushing it. Okay, here I'm doing a 60-second calf stretch. Both sides get 60 seconds. Important, keep the Achilles stretched. Okay, here I did 40 tibialis raises. That's that muscle in the front next to the shin. Very good for stopping and going. Good for basketball, tennis, all sports. Okay, these are called Poliquin pulses. What I'm doing here, see how the knee goes over the toe? I'm working the joint to bring the synovial fluid there. That brings the healing, the nutrients. Okay, here I'm doing split squat pulses, same thing. Just pulsing it. I did 100 of the Poliquins, and I did 50 of these split squats. Both legs, of course, are worked. Okay, band pull-aparts. I did 30 of these. That band goes up to 35 pounds. Back extensions. What did I do on the back? I did 25 back extensions, one-legged, so I do each side. Here, chest press, dumbbell chest press, I did 15 reps. Just one set, 15 reps. Here I'm doing low cable pull-ins. I did 30 reps. I did, I think, 20 and then 10. 2 sets. Grippers. I did 20 on each hand. Working that extensor muscle, good for tennis players. Well, there you have it. 10 exercises. It took me about, I'd say 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes. It took me longer today because I was setting up the camera, but about 35, 40 minutes. And I'm telling you, it makes you smile. It makes you smile because you got out there, you got over the hump. You know, I didn't feel like it today that much, but I did it. I showed up. That's the key. You've got to show up every day. I've been a tennis pro most of my life, and so I was always getting exercise on the tennis court. And then now that I'm not teaching as much as I used to, I have more time to work on different areas that tennis can tend to mess up certain areas. You'll get tight in certain areas, weak in certain areas, if you're not, working out your entire body. Plus, you can get very stiff if you're not stretching. So all of my stuff that I do now, I follow ATG, Ben Patrick, he's excellent. I highly recommend him. And they're dynamic exercises where you're stretching the joint to the limit. And that's the key. The whole entire joint, the tendons, the ligaments, they need to be strong. I never knew this. So I'm very thankful to you, Ben. Thanks a lot, buddy, because it's helped me a lot. And so there you have it. Remember, smile. An everlasting smile. No, seriously, a smile will do you good. Thank the Creator that you can still move. You can still move around and be functional. Thank Him every day. All the best, guys. Give me a like or a thumbs up. Take care.